Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the top 5 caravan and motorhome accessories that we took a look at for you in 2019. So stay tuned. So just before we move on to the top 5 accessories, I thought I'd quickly mention the Caravan and Motorhome Helpers Facebook group, which I set up with Martin the Caravan Nut, Ian for Love of Caravans and Bob Earnshaw. Now the idea is, if you're new to caravanning or you're not got as much experience and you need a little bit of help, you can post questions on there and you will hopefully get an answer from either ourselves or some of the other members on the group, because we do have some experienced group members. If you'd like to join, there will be a link in the description below. So let's move on. So in no particular order, we start with number 1, which is the Whale Pumps Watermaster system. Now, if you're like me and Juliet and prefer fully serviced pitches, then this is an ideal thing for you. It's just a simple product that does a really efficient job of giving you water to your caravan when you're on a fully serviced pitch. Now, some of you did make comments that you weren't quite keen on the idea, but just let me reassure you, if you follow the 2 simple rules, and these are: if you 1, turn off the mains when you're not with the caravan, and 2, when you are with the caravan and you're using it, don't turn it on fully, the tap, just have it halfway and you'll not have an issue. It doesn't need a great deal of pressure to fill up the hose and fill up the tank in your caravan or motorhome. Number 2 is the lightweight recycle rug from Green Decor. Now, we have used this all season, and Juliet has used it inside the awning and also outside the awning just by the front door. It's very comfortable underfoot and it's very easy to wipe clean and maintain, and it's so lightweight. It's just over 1 kilo in weight, which is pretty impressive. Number 3 is the boot liner from the Hatchbag company. Now, this has never been out of the car since it arrived. It's a very practical and useful piece of kit. We have used it for carrying a wet awning, Alfie's muddy bike, and it's great for pets. The other thing I like about it is you don't lose any of your storage spaces whilst using the liner. Number 4 is the Ultra Dial 3G covert alarm from Ultra Secure Direct. Now, as you can see, it's in the van. It's been in the van since it arrived, and it was very simple and very quick to install, and it works really well. We have had one miss call on it, and when I got to the caravan I found that there was a spider's web, just a little one, just over the actual sensor itself. That was cleaned away and there was no issues after that. But what was impressive is the fact that it dialed my mobile, it dialed Juliet's mobile, it dialed the landline, and it also sent us text messages, which proves the fact that this is a really good product and it does do what it says. And last but no means the least is number 5, and that is the Outdoor Revolution eSport 325 air awning. Now, as some of you know, we have tested this awning for the full season of 2019, and we've had no issues with it whatsoever. It basically does what it says on the tin. It's a very lightweight, affordable air awning. It's very spacious and it's very light and airy inside, and it gives good value for money. Well everyone, that was the top 5 accessories for your caravan and motorhome that we looked at in 2019 for you. Now, we hope in 2020 to bring you some more products, some how-to videos, and also we'll be getting away in the caravan and there might be some site reviews as well. I'd like to thank everybody that's joined us over the last 12 months and supported the channel. Now, if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to get updates on our regular videos that we will be putting out next year. Well, thank you very much and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.